this video is going to be about DIY slime. Just for your guys' information, do not ingest this slime. Do not keep it for a while. It is made out of something you'll find out. And don't play with it in your hands. I mentioned this in the video. But anyways, besides that, let's get on with the video. Hey everybody, I'm here on it Wednesday. I know it's Wednesday, but I'm teaching you how to make goo. Not to ingest, not to play with your hands. Like, I know it's to play with, like, I'm using a straw. So, yeah, one of the things you're gonna need is a straw, a normal small bowl, one egg. It depends on how much putty you want to make, and green or blue soap, and food coloring of any color, but I'm using purple. Red and blue makes purple. So, anyways, the first thing we're gonna do in this bin, crack the egg, and then pour the egg in there. Take out the shell, put it in there. Okay? So then it will be like that, and you will have one egg yolk. One egg yolk inside of the bowl. Okay, there we go. And then you're gonna take your soap of green or blue and put a little bit. There, not much. Okay? And then stir it. At this stage, you're going to want to stir it. The soap is kind of to make it smell good, so, but it can be of any color. I don't really care. It's not going to affect me. Okay. So when you think you have it stirred enough, which I don't, just keep stirring for a while and keep adding soap if you think you need. It's like an urge need to. And you will get this mixture. No, but it looks like that. It's yellow, so it should be yellow, or if you use blue, it's going to be green. Anyways, then you're going to take out your straw and put it in the dirt bin. And open your dye bottles. I have the, not original, like, the ones that everybody else has. Do a couple drops, and then you'll be good. If you think you want to add a little bit more, because I made brown. It's gross, but the red could give it a nice touch. And when you're done with that, go to a protectant area, like over a sink or something, and that's what I'm going to come with you guys to let me do. So, here, and y'all are going to come with me. This is hard to hold. And, bruh, I'm going to die. And what we're going to do when we get up there, I'm being overreactive, but not really, because we're going to put in flour. Flour's going to make it really, really gooey. That's what you want to call it, because the egg made it kind of watery. The soap, depends on what kind of soap you use. If you think it's gooey enough, don't do this step. up. Like I'm getting look up a little bit of this. About that much of a tiny cup. Add it. I'm not satisfied with this. So I'm mixing it very good. Sorry about that face. And it made like a really good goo. I'd say it's very chunky. That looks cool. If you want to make like fake blood, this is great too. Just don't use the food coloring, use natural coloring like from soap or something. Don't use, like I said, don't use food coloring if you're making fake blood, but this works perfectly if you want. Use like natural colors like cranberry juice or something. Like I'm saying, this is DIY. This isn't like how to legit make slime from like substance A and B. You can know. I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you things that you could use from home to make like a really cool goo. So when you're done with that, see, it is very gooey. But I'm gonna add a little bit more flour because it's super gooey. It's really gooey. I'll make it like a real goo. Okay, so I made red instead of purple because, well, you know, I'm cool. Because it made brown mixed with the egg yolk. And it's not look cute, so I just added a lot of red dye. And then it made this like maroon color that I really like. Rather you not touch it. If you do touch it, make sure you wash your hands immediately. It will still be a stain, but not as bad as usually with this food dye stains. I hope I didn't get any on this new shirt. Okay. It might smell delicious. Don't eat it. Do not ingest. Okay. So when you're done, do random stuff with it, like, ew. It's disgusting. It smells good. It's disgusting. Let's see me stir it up. It's like icing. I mean, you don't want it anymore because it will rot. Just saying, it will rot. So, then, have to clean. And then when you're done, yeah, that's what you got. Bye, lovey dovey.